Hello, and welcome to Varasi's video series on solution design. Today we will cover an aspect of designing integration APIs, specifically about where to place your business rules. There are various aspects that influence the design of integration APIs, like source systems, business rules, security, and performance. To systematically deal with these influences, you have to ask a lot of questions. Here are some starting points, and you can take them as deep as you like depending on the complexity of the solution. Start at the very beginning. Why? Why is there a need to integrate, and how will business manage it later? What type of system is at the other end? What type of information do you expect, and how frequently? What is the handshake with the other system for success and failure scenarios? What are the business rules in play for this integration, and where will they reside? And of course, you have to consider security and performance. So here is a summary of your starting points. I would like to illustrate the influence of business context and the implications of where the rules live by taking an example. One of the reasons this is important in a Salesforce solution is because of the bias you could have with two extremes. You could either say that all my objects have standard APIs and the other system takes care of all business rules. This helps you avoid any coding on the Salesforce API front. Or you could design custom APIs for everything and embed all business logic in the API. Understanding the business context will help you achieve the right balance in your design. To recap, we have to really understand the motivation behind the integration and how business will operate once a system is up and running. Let's take a simple example. Here is a Salesforce solution that helps you program manage your classes. One basic use case is for students to visit your website and register for a class they like. On the Salesforce side, you have classes and eventually students who enroll for it. You may have a price list for the classes. On the website, you have some search and browse functionality to see the class information like what's being taught, the location, instructor, and schedule. Once a student finds a class that interests her, she can enroll through the website. The website may allow students to enroll for multiple classes at once. Notice two sets of business rules in play. One deals with how information is made available to prospective students, and second, how an enrollment action is dealt with by the system. A very important point here is the website visitor doesn't view the website and the backend system as two separate systems, the one integrated system. The website is responsible to provide the best user interface, and the Salesforce system takes care of the sanity of the data in the backend. Now, a good example of a business rule on the website would be to calculate roll-up pricing for the selected classes from the price list. Some candidate business rules on the API side would be waitlist functionality, eligibility rules, different ways of dealing with new and returning students. So there you have it. If you follow the systematic approach, you will end up with a balanced design for your integration APIs. Thank you.